Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your very own icing. So first step, you open up your nice bag of icing sugar, alright? Now it doesn't really matter what amount you use, what brand you use, but personally I like to use the Atlantic stuff. So, then, I can't seem to open it, you simply pour some in there. Alright, so, now that you've done that, just set that icing sugar aside, alright? Then, you'll see I have my icing sugar in there, alright? So then, you grab some water, alright? So, you just pour that stuff in, alright? Make sure to use the right amount of water for the amount of icing sugar you put in. So that means if you put in like 1 gram of icing sugar, don't put in, a liter of water, of course, because then it'll be too runny and not thick enough, alright? So, I like to do this little thing where I sort of taste test it, make sure it's all right and in order. So, you get the icing sugar, and then you just take a whiff of it. Alright, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. Alright, whew! So, now that you've done that, you simply mix it all together, alright? You're supposed to use, like, what are they called? A spatula or a mixer or something to mix this, but I'll just be using my finger. So you mix that around. Get a little taste. It's good. So, after you've done that, you simply pour it all over the thing you want.